Anywhere you go, you belong.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I'm sorry if I look crappy. I'm actually going to be cleaning after this and I have to shower my hairy children. So yeah, anyways, today I actually wanted to unbox my Walmart beauty box, spring beauty box. Anyways, let's open it up. Oh, and I guess I got it on March 14, it says right there. So yeah, it's been a while and today is May 22nd. So let me remove this plastic and let's see what we got this time. It comes with a card and it says Beauty for All Walmart Beauty Box, and it just tells me the products that I probably got in here. It looks like a lot of them, so let's see if that's everything I got. Oh shit. So this is what it looks like. So the first thing that I see here is these nails, and these are the new Impress press-on manicure. Well, these are cute. 30 nails, no glue needed. So I will be trying these out maybe after graduation because I don't want these popping off during my graduation, just in case they don't stay on my nails or something. I'm going to open it up, and these are by Kiss. I feel like these nails are actually smaller than my regular nails because I actually have nails. Anyways, this is what it looks like. They're really pretty. I really like the bottom ones right here. Okay, so it says the full size retails for $6.97 and it comes with 30 nails. Okay, so this is the full size, so that's pretty good, and I pretty much got this box for like $6, so this is already worth it. Okay, let's see. The next thing I see is this right here. This is the Daily Concept Exfoliating Dual Texture Scrubber. So they have like 3 types of scrubbers and they sent me the mild one, so that's really cool. I'm going to be putting this one in my shower tonight. Okay, this is actually not on the little pamphlet that they sent me, but anyways, I'm still really excited that they sent me this. I really like scrubbers that like exfoliate the skin, so this is going to be really handy. Okay, now the next thing that I got is this Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I actually received one of these before, but I think I gave it to my boyfriend. I don't know if he liked it, I forgot to ask him. But this time they sent me the Golden Cherry flavor. This is what it looks like. It's just like for one drink. I don't really like drinking like electrolytes and stuff like that. I feel like they taste weird or nasty. A full size retails for $8.98 and it comes with 6. Okay, now the next thing that I got, it is this right here. This is Sukin Australian Natural Signature Foaming Facial Cleanser. Purify, cleanse, and lightly hydrate the skin with chamomile and aloe vera, green tea, and witch hazel. And it is for all skin types, so this is cool. I really like trying out different facial cleansers, so I will be using this probably tonight or tomorrow. Okay, this is actually not in this little pamphlet. Okay, now the next thing that they sent me, it is a chapstick, and this one is the Total Hydration 3-in-1 Lip Care. Advanced 3-in-1 formula, moisturizes, renews, and transforms. I love chapsticks, you guys already know. So I'm really happy that I got this. And this chapstick is actually on this pamphlet. And this one retails for $3.94, and this is the full size, so that's pretty cool. And here, let me open it. And it is a coconut hydration lip balm, and it's just like regular white lip balm, and it smells like coconut, so it smells really good. Okay, now let's see the next thing that they sent me. It is this CoverGirl Clean Fresh Skincare Weightless Water Cream. It is a 72-hour hydration with cactus water, and it's just this little sample right here. This one actually retails for $14.98, like a full size, which is 2.0 fluid ounces. So right here on the pamphlet it says oil-free and formulated for all skin types. This weightless, breathable face moisturizer and primer in one is supercharged with electrolyte-rich True Clean Cactus Water and hyaluronic acid to lock in moisture for 72 hours. So I'm excited, never tried that before. Okay, and lastly, it is a shampoo, I believe. Yep, shampoo and conditioner. This is a Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves Shampoo and Not Your Mother's Anti-Frizz Smooth Moves Conditioner. This is what it looks like, and it says it's smooth styling from here. Smooth moves, luxurious conditioner, hydrates and detangles hair while adding plenty of shine for 72 hours. Frizz control. Now you're off to a smooth start. Cool. I'm excited to try this shampoo out. A full size of this shampoo and conditioner retail for $7.74, so that's pretty good. So I will be trying this out, and if I like it, I might purchase a full size. And that is everything that I got in my Walmart beauty box for the spring beauty box. I feel like I received a lot of things this time. They usually send like 5 things, and I got, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 things. So this is definitely worth my $6. The nails alone is $6. The lip balm is $4. It's like $3.90 something. I don't know how much this is, but I'm pretty sure it's like $2 or I don't know, maybe more. So I'm really happy that I got this Walmart beauty box. Let me know in the comments below if you guys also got the Walmart beauty box, and also let me know if you guys got the same things I did, and if not, what did you guys get? So anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.